Huaao Holdings Group Full Product Series. China's first VHP sterilization air conditioner, featuring exclusive multi-chamber vaporization technology, integrated sterilization and air conditioning design, achieves full-space sterilization through airflow circulation. Globally advanced pure water foaming air duct technology, certified by multiple international standards, oxidation-resistant, corrosion-resistant, and pressure-resistant. Also lightweight, low-carbon, and non-toxic. Air volume control damper, for precise HVAC airflow control. Controls fresh air and return air mixing. Maintains stable and balanced airflow. FFU, core equipment for clean air circulation systems, delivers efficient clean airflow. Widely used in semiconductor and pharmaceutical industries. Air filters. Using primary, medium, HEPA and ULPA multi-layer filtration. Ensures clean air quality standards. HEPA air supply outlet, a key terminal device in cleanroom air purification systems. Continuously supplies stable clean airflow. Effectively maintains cleanroom standards. Cleanroom panel series, including machine-made and handmade cleanroom panels. Manufactured with Huao's patented Hijin technology. Features high flatness and strong load-bearing capacity. Customizable core materials, anti-fouling and antibacterial. Aluminum profile accessories, including channel aluminum, corner aluminum, inner and outer arcs, and T-beams. Designed for cleanroom panel installation, makes installation more convenient and efficient. Cleanroom windows, made with double-layer insulated glass. Elegant, airtight, soundproof, and heat insulating. Widely used in laboratories, pharmaceutical factories, and clean corridors. Cleanroom doors, durable, smooth surfaced, and highly airtight. Customizable in window style, size, door panel color, and lock model. Air shower equipment. Designed for clean rooms and controlled environments. Installed between clean and non-clean areas. Effectively prevents contaminated air from entering clean zones. Maintains environmental stability. Passbox equipment. Used for material transfer in clean rooms and laboratories. Prevents air convection and cross-contamination. Ensures stable and clean controlled environments. LED cleanroom lamps. Designed with a fully enclosed dust-free structure. Corrosion-proof, dust-proof, and waterproof. High CRI, flicker-free and energy-saving. PVC flooring. Wear-resistant, anti-slip, and fire-resistant. Eco-friendly, moisture-proof, and easy to clean. UV-coated surface. Acid and iodine-resistant. Widely used in biopharmaceuticals, labs, and medical facilities. Smart medical and cleanroom products. For high-end operating room cleanrooms. Equipped with intelligent digital control systems. Effectively reduces medical risks. Improves surgical efficiency and quality. Huaao Holdings Group. One-stop cleanroom system manufacturer.